How to find the year date serial number on a Louis Vuitton bag. Now, in the 1980s, early 80s, not all of the Louis had a number. It's Thanksgiving, and I'll show you it is raining in Las Vegas. Later on in the video, I'll show you some rain. It's very rare to get rain in Las Vegas, and on Thanksgiving we got it. So just very quickly, on some Louis, it's hard to find the serial number. I'm going to show you how on this one. And sometimes they just put it into the leather on the inside of the bag or the outside of the bag. It's carved into the leather. Sometimes you have little tags, but here, see this little tag here? I'll show you in a moment. In here, there's a little tag with a brass ring on it. And I'm going to show you how to kind of like move it to the side. And once you find a number, later on, I'm going to tell you what that number means also. So there's a lot of fakes out there. Then there's different levels of fakes. Some of the best fakes are just as good as the real Louis. So anyhow, if you move this tag a little bit, here you go. You move this tag, and lo and behold, you see this little number. What does it mean? 2 letters, 4 digits. And later on the video, I'll tell you what those numbers mean. But that's the number you need to find. You need to find, the number on your Louis. It's like a serial number. But again, some of the early models, the 1980s, they did not have one. So it's just a learning curve. And okay, let's go into it some more. The Louis Vuitton Amber Beach Bag. It's Thanksgiving. Got a little bit of pumpkin pie going on. Okay, I'm going to show you how to identify the rare Louis Vuitton Beach Bag. Now, number one, your leather handles are going to be well made. They're not going to be frayed. On the outside, the leather does not fray. So on a real Louis, the leather handles weather well. Now, what you're really looking for is the serial number. Okay, obviously you'll have the Louis Vuitton brass hardware right there, Louis Vuitton brass hardware right here. But right in the corner here, this little tag here, let's see if I can get the tag over there. Can you see? There's a serial number. Okay, there it is. TH0917. Okay, can you see it? There we go. Very close. Let me see if I can zoom in. See if I can zoom. Yeah, we're going to zoom in a little closer. There it is. TH0917. Now this is the little hook inside that you would connect the purse to. So there it is. The rare Louis Vuitton beach bag that you would take to the beach. So now you know how to find a serial number, because that serial number, some people don't know where it is, and a lot of people have never seen this model before. It's a very, very rare model. Okay, so what does the numbers mean? You might want to, why don't we go into that real quickly here? Okay, so the number is TH0917. The TH there is the factory where it was made. TH would be France. These are all the first 2 letters represent the factory's location. Now I'm first going to go over how it works from a bag that is made. Any Louis is made from 2007 and newer. Let's go over that first. Okay, the 2 letters represent the factory location, the first 2 letters, but the first and third number represent the week of the year the bag was made. You got that? First and third number represent the week of the year the bag was made. The second and fourth number represent the year. Again, that's 2007 and newer, but this bag apparently is older. So now we got to go to what do the numbers represent from 1990 to 2006, okay? From 1990 to 2006, again, the two letters represent the factory location, TH meaning in France. The first and third number represent the month it was made. Not the week of the year, like I mentioned before. No, the month it was made. Now this bag, the first and the third digits are 01, which means January. Okay, so first and third number represents the month for any bag made between 1990 and 2006. Now we go to the second and fourth number, and the second and fourth number represent the year. If we go to the second digit and the fourth digit here, we're looking at 97. This bag was made in 1997. That gives you a little idea. Okay, when we look at the bottom here, it's got a little bit of wear. This is where a piece of tape was. Piece of tape here, piece of scotch tape here, and a piece of scotch tape here. No big deal. They can be taken off. You can clean, leather cleaner can clean that up. So we're thinking this bag is from 1997. And that would be, there were some scuff marks on it. There were some white scuff marks on it. I had to take them off. And they came off relatively easy. So there you have it, 1997 Louis Rare Beach bag.